A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Old paper MCQ series part number 21. Which technology company introduced about this image fact change tools? Google, Amazon, Apple. Answer Google. Nickel and iron are the main constitution of Earth's core, Earth crust, mantle. Answer Earth core. Nickel and iron are the main constitution of Earth's core. Who wrote the famous book Pakistan in Transition? The correct answer, William Howard Riggers wrote the famous book Pakistan in Transition. International Atomic Energy Agency was founded in July 29, 1957. IAEA, International Atomic Energy Agency, was founded on July 29, 1957. Helsinki is the capital of which country? Finland. Helsinki is the capital of Finland. Amanullah Khan is the leader of Jammu and Azad Kashmir Liberation Party. In which surah the law of inheritance mentioned? Surah Nisa. Law of inheritance या विरासत के कवानीन सूरह निसा में बयान किए गए हैं. When was Zulfikar Ali Bhutto hanged to death? 4 April 1979, Zulfikar Ali Bhutto hanged to death. Pomology is the study of mind, bones, fruits. Pomology is the study of fruits. Which division became the 10th division of Punjab on 17th August 2022? Gujarat division. Gujarat division 17th August 2022 was a new created division of Punjab, Pakistan. Name the first woman speaker of US Congress. Nancy Pelosi is the first woman speaker of US Congress. Four Island is located in Scandinavian country. Four Island is located in Scandinavian countries. गालिब ने उर्दू की किस किताब को अल्फाज का बुटियार खाना करार दिया? फसाना-ए अजायब. फसाना-ए अजायब को गालिब ने उर्दू का बुटियार खाना करार दिया. नकातुल शुअरा किसकी तसनीफ? मीर तकी मीर की. नकातुल शुअरा मीर तकी मीर की तसनीफ है. लुगत कबीर उर्दू किसने लिखी? मौलवी अब्दुल हक. लुगत कबीर उर्दू मौलवी अब्दुल हक ने लिखी. हज़रत मूसा अलैहिस्सलाम इज कॉल्ड स्पीकर ऑफ अल्लाह या बयान करने में बहुत महारत थी, इसलिए हज़रत मूसा अलैहिस्सलाम को स्पीकर ऑफ अल्लाह कहा जाता है. Interfax is the news agency. Interfax is a news agency of Russia. Pakistan weightlifter Mohammad Noor Dastagir but lifted how many kgs of weight in Commonwealth Game 2022? 405 kg weight has been lifted by Mohammad Noor Dastagir, but he belongs to Gujranwala. Windhoek is the capital of Namibia. Windhoek is the capital of Namibia. The UN Charter in 1945 was drawn up San Francisco. UN Charter in 1945 was drawn up by San Francisco. International Court of Justice is located in The Hague. International Court of Justice is located in The Hague. German reunification occurred in 1990. German reunification occurred in 1990. Cuban Missile occurred during 1962. Cuban Missile occurred during 1962. The headquarters of Asian Development Bank is located in Manila. Headquarters of Asian Development Bank is located in Manila. The Organization of Petroleum Countries (OPEC) was established in 1960. Organization of Petroleum Countries (OPEC) was established in 1960. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.